Hello, thanks for joining us. Website authoring 7. We're going to be looking at the heading and right aligning and left aligning, and we're looking at new tags called the horizontal rule tag, HR, and the break tag, BR. So let's have a look at our instructions. We're going to add a new title, aligning text. So let's come along here. We're going to add a new title. So in H1, after the body, let's put in a new title. So it's H1. H1, and it's aligning text. Small t, just make sure we get everything right there, and we close H1. There we have our first task done. We add a new title, aligning text in style H1. Change the word second to read third. So my third web page run by Lawrence Grant-Lapre, with the name there. We are asked to set the heading style H1 to be center aligned. So let's come up to, let's create a style sheet. Let's just create a new style sheet. And we want heading 1 to be let's say we want font. We want text align, and that is our instruction. So we'll put a colon, and we want this to be center. Make sure it's American spelling, C-N-T-E-R. So that's our heading 1. While we're on here, what else do we need to do with our style sheet? We want H2 to be right aligned. So let's put H2 and text align is the code that the style that we're changing, and we want that to be right aligned. We want style P. What does it say for header 3? Doesn't say. I'll just make sure we've header 3. No, set style. That's all right. So we just want P to be left aligned. So P text align left. Good. And that will do. It doesn't matter about the spaces, but let's just say we'll save that as, and let's call this align.css. Save that as align.css. That means we need to refer to the align CSS in our page. So up here, I need to change this to align.css. So that's what we're going to be looking at, and we'll just call this task website authoring. I think we're on 7. Okay, so we've got our title. We're going to refer to align, which we've saved, and let's go to our instructions. Place a horizontal line below the title aligning text. Now, So after this instruction, what we'll do is we'll put a space here and we'll put HR. That's a horizontal rule. And that's all we have to do. We don't have to end it or open it. That's it. It's just an opening horizontal rule. Place additional blank lines before the title at the top of the page. So in front of aligning text. So just here, we will put a break. There you go. BR for break, and after the horizontal rule. So let's put before this page here, we can put in a break just before they start my third web page. So it'll have a break and then it'll say my third web page. And that, I believe, is the end of our job. So let's save this and we'll open that from the file and we'll open it with Internet Explorer. Give it a moment while it reads. And here we go. Let's have a look at it. So there is a break here, aligning text. Aligning text is H1. We've got this horizontal rule, and then straight after it we've got another break, another blank line here. Now did we have any what was center aligned? Oh, center aligned was our H1 was to be centered. Doesn't look like it's centered. So let's just see. We've got align, align.css. And let's look at align.css. HI, that's why. So let's backspace, make that a 1. Save that. It'll understand that now. Let's go back and refresh. Refreshing. Did we save that? Let's put a space in here. I don't think that makes any difference. Right, left, save, align.css. Let's just get this program working. We're referring to align.css. Did we save that? Save that. And let's open with. Oh, it doesn't seem to be accepting our H1, does it? I'm not sure what's going on here. Can you see where we're going wrong? I might have to do some research on this and find out what it is that we're not doing right. Text align, center, right and left. Text align, center, right and left. That is a CSS, isn't it? Maybe it didn't record it as a CSS. Align, no, it's a CSS. It's okay, it's a cascading style sheet. It's fine. All right, so we will do some research, and if we figure it out, we'll come up with a little follow-up video to sort of fix this and find out what's went wrong. So the next task we're going to be doing, apart from finding the error in this, is we'll be looking at enhancing text within a style sheet, looking at the the bold, the italics, etc. So until we talk again, and while I do some research in finding the error, you might find it first, stay happy.